It hasn't arrived yet, but it's already causing a stir. The Galaxy S26 Ultra remains shrouded in mystery, and perhaps that's precisely what makes it so fascinating. Samsung seems to be preparing a smartphone that goes beyond what we know, elegant, powerful, and ready to redefine the mobile experience. The design should follow the premium line with sophisticated materials and impeccable finish. The 6.9-inch screen, even more immersive, surpasses the Galaxy S25 Ultra by bringing increased resolution, 1800 by 3440 pixels versus 1440 by 3120 pixels, and a refresh rate of 144 Hz compared to the previous model's 120 Hz. Now with dynamic AMOLED 2X technology, the S26 Ultra will offer even more vibrant colors, deep blacks, and superior contrast, elevating the visual experience to a new level. The invisible edges and refinement in the finish will make the S26 Ultra even more elegant and modern, elevating each touch and movement to a unique sensory experience. In terms of the rear cameras, everything indicates that we will have a 200-megapixel main sensor, just like in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but now with even more advanced artificial intelligence capable of adjusting scenes in real time with greater precision. The high-precision optical zoom should gain more range and stability, while 8K recording promises cinematic quality. The night mode, already impressive in the previous model, should surprise even more, capturing details with exceptional sharpness even in low-light environments. The front camera also promises to evolve. With a 50-megapixel lens, smart autofocus, and 4K recording, selfies and video calls should gain sharpness and realism like never before. Facial recognition should become even faster and more secure. Inside, performance will be driven by the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and storage options of up to 1 terabyte. The battery, with 5000 mAh, guarantees 2 days of use and 45W fast charging. In connectivity, what is expected is the best of the current market. Latest generation 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, and full integration with the Galaxy ecosystem. The DeX mode also has a great tendency to evolve, bringing the smartphone even closer to a desktop experience. The Galaxy S26 Ultra has not yet been officially revealed. Samsung intends to announce the model at the end of 2025 with an official launch scheduled for January 2026 in a clear strategy to directly compete with the iPhone 17 Pro Max and consolidate its leadership in the premium smartphone segment. When it is launched, it will be a watershed moment in the mobile universe. Hey, did you like what's coming? So leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any news about the Galaxy S26 Ultra and everything that's happening in the world of technology. Bye! See you in the next video!